Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to take you through if, else, loops, and function. That is assignment number 001 Python. So before we dive into the quiz and the project, ensure that you go through the material that you have been provided with for this particular course. We have number one, we have this one, more control flow tools. We have indentation errors, how to use string formatter in the Python 3, learn to program 2, looping, and the PY code style guide for the Python code. Okay, now before we start on the task, we are supposed now to solve the quiz parts, which is number one. We take the shortest time possible to go through the quiz, which is very simple if you go through the reading material that we have been provided with. Number one, or rather number 0, question number #0, we have what do this line print? We have a is equal to 12. If a is less than 2, you print all button. Else if or elif a 2 is equal to 0, print this one. Else print this one. If you look at this is 12, therefore 12 is greater than 2, so definitely going to print the last. No, sorry for this one. It's supposed to print this one. C is fun. Okay, question #1. What do this line print? We have if 12 is equal to 48 and 4, print all bets or else school. So it's supposed to be school. Question number #2. What do this line print? We have if true, print all bits, else print school. So definitely for that one, you're going to print all bits. Question #3. What do this line print? We have for I in range 4, print I and equal to. So for the range, it's supposed to start from 0 all the way to 3. We are not supposed to include the 4. Okay, next number we have what do this line print? What do this line print? We have for I in the range of 2 to 10. In the range of 2. The most important part is supposed to be the range of 2 to 10, where we are supposed to have a gap of 2. So the first one is supposed to be 2, followed by 4, followed by 6, followed by 8. Because we're supposed to give from 2 to 10, range of 2 to. Okay, question 5. What do this line print? If 12 is equal to 14 divided by 3 or 12 is 12, print all but. Else print. Of course, 48 divided by 3 is equal to this one, or 12 is the same as 12, so definitely going to print all but because the statement is true. Question #6. What do this line print? A is equal to 12. If A is greater than 2, then if A or else print. So definitely for this one is going to print all but. It's similar to the other question that we've already covered in the earlier one. What do this line print? We have if 12 is equal to 14 divided by 4, print, which is very true. If 14 divided by 4 is the same as 12, so it will going to print this one before it now look to the other. Okay, question 8. What do this line print? For I in range of 2 to 4, print I and with a range supposed to be 2 to 4, so it's going to print 2 and 3. So that's the end of this particular part for the quiz. So in the next part, we are going to start with the task, which starts from number 1 all the way to number 16. So thank you for taking time to watch the video. I hope and I know. So in support of my channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also to click the notification bell so that whenever I create a new video, you'll be the first one to get it. Also, in case you need any clarification on what you have already learned, don't hesitate to write down the question. I will get back to you in the comment section. So thank you once again. Have a lovely day.